In this video, we are going to be doing more Valentine's Day jumbo cards, but this time we are going to size down. In the last video, you saw me do a 16 by 20 design that I outsourced to Walgreens, but in this video, we are going to demonstrate how we can print these off on our home computer. As you can see, I am printing from my home computer. It's nothing fancy. It is an HP Envy computer. I've had it for years. As you can see, the colors are vibrant. The design came out just how I wanted it to, and it is perfect for doing this card at home. These are size 8.5 by 11. As you can see, I have 3 different designs here. You can see that. This one is one of my favorites. I love the details and everything about this card right here. And then this is another one that I did. So in this video, I'm probably going to demonstrate maybe 2 out of the 3 cards. So with the supplies that we're going to need, like I said, we are going to need the prints. In the previous video, you saw the prints printing out. And we did print it on this Koala paper, which is 8.5 by 11. It's just printable sticker paper. And I got this from Amazon. Also, we will need our foam board that I got from the Dollar Tree. And what I did was cut it in half so I can be able to work in this little small space that I have here. So I do have a cutting mat. And I also have the lids. The lids I did also get from Amazon. These are like little containers that you can buy, and the measurements for it is 5.1 by 4.7, and that is from the outside. So you can use that as a guide to measure your square that is in your design. We'll need a ruler and box cutter, and we will also need our glue, and we will need our candy to have in the lids. Okay, so I went ahead and I pre-filled the lids, taped everything down, as you can see, and that will save some time, and I won't have to try and get all of this assembled on camera. So I went ahead and pre-filled the lids. All right, so let's get started. Since I did the little girl, I think I'm going to do this one first. This is a design that has a truck on it, and it also has a little character. These designs can be edited. So if you are interested or need designs for this holiday, just let me know. I'll put down in the description a link that you can go ahead and download these designs. And you can also change out the characters. And I also have a video that shows you how to edit and all of that. So keep that in mind. So let's go ahead and get started. So these, like I said, these are adhesive stickers. So what you will do is just go ahead and detach the photo from the sticker. So we'll start doing that. With these, they're small enough where you can at least get 4 to 5 different prints on one board that you purchase from Dollar Tree. So that's the advantage of doing the smaller designs as well. So we'll continue once we have it attached, fold down the back side, and we are going to adhere it to our board as best as we can. To our board. So now what we are going to do is use our box cutter and our ruler to just cut the design out. now that we have our design adhered to the foam board, we have it all cut out, we are ready to take our candy filled lid and attach it to the inside square. So this glue right here is Gorilla Glue. It is a gel glue, and I also got this from Amazon. Dots in each corner. Flip it. So this is the final result. As you can see, I used a few staples around the side just to secure the lid to the foam board, but everything turned out great. And this again is the 8.5 by 11. Thank you so much. Don't forget to subscribe, and I will see you in the next video.